Hello, mic check. Definitely see my stream. But I would like to listen to it first. Hello, hello, hello. Testing microphone. I don't think that I'm getting any disturbances while I'm speaking. I think the microphone is working fine. No, it's not working fine. I'm not really sure what is causing this issue, bro. Is it is it my OBS or is it my voice meter? Or is it this one? Does it fix anything? No, I'm still getting some statics. It's not really static, it's but yeah, I'm still getting it. What happened? I turned off my Docker. Let's try maybe changing the power mode. Currently in balanced power performance mode. So this should sound well. So let me also try it from my headphones so that I can actually hear it in the parallel. Okay, 40 degrees Fahrenheit, partly cloudy. So far it's good. I don't think I'm getting any issues. Let's try connecting this and then testing. If I'm still seeing the issue, then so far everything's good. No worries. Cool. Okay, seems looking fine. I don't know if I'm getting enough light on my face, but hope it does. Looking okay. So now let's test some things. 10 dot localhost. HTML. This is the site. I'm trying to test this. Sending first message. Got the message. So instead of a bubble kind of a thing, it's better to have like a layout. So let's modify this. While that handles that code changes. So currently everything looks as if it's a there would be a small cloud from here. Can try this. My microphone sounds fine now. Much better than yesterday. Yesterday it was too worse. Purely worse. Okay, let's send a message. Testing another one. Okay, I can see it, but I don't think anyone can read that message. So I was like, okay, let's apply the stack. Is it still doing it? Come on, dude. Just read whatever you have here. Make the change accordingly. WebSocket is connected. Let's see. Testing. Hey, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, now we have to deal with this avatar. What's wrong with this one? Probably we are not allowed. Alternate. So probably we can just show a user icon. User icon. PNG. This must be better. Okay, copy image link. I think we should be able to see those, right? Yep, that's fine now. Hey Harish, welcome to the stream, bro. Hello, I'm working on this custom. What do you call it? Message container. It's looking good. So this way we can actually see the chat in the OBS overlay, so that it would be much better. Let's also apply that in the OBS. I forgot my IP address though. So that's the one. Probably that's not the one. It's 3000, maybe 128. What's my IP? Hey Jane Preet, welcome to the stream, bro. Good to have you guys here. Terminal. I'm not in my proper terminal. IP config. What is the one? It's 128. And that's why is it not 128? 128. Yeah, that's the one then. HTTPS 128. Yeah. Unsure. Let's try to open it in a browser and then chat messages slash chat messages dot h is working here. Socket is definitely connected. Let's copy paste this here. Paste. So looks like we don't have the previous messages. That's fine. Let's send some messages. We gotta use these. Okay. So in order to match it up, how it does. It does look fine in this. Probably we can keep it as this. I would need some light on my face though. We'll work on it tomorrow. Okay, let's probably publish this before everything. I have honestly looking fine, so I might keep it as it is. So let us push this. I don't know what exactly is this bash script. Bash. What exactly is this? Oh, this is the one change. Bot frontend. These are all IP address change. Oh, totally forgot. We need to run the command prompt. Inside my code sections, there should be stream assistant. Let me remove these. This one too. In here, this is alerts. I open a like not terminal, but we need to open the command prompt. In here, I have saved the commands which I would use. Copy paste. Anyway, is this the alerts? Yes. Once that is done, we can just get that changes to alerts and proceed to save it. Yep, commit, and let's go to our SSH. If so, for some reason if my microphone is not working as expected, just let me know, guys. Okay, cd stream assistant, no, cd GitHub, cd stream assistant, yes, ls cd alerts. Thanks for the like, guys. Whoever liked my stream, thank you so much. You are the first like which I got. Git stash, and then we are going to do a pull. It's still happening, so give me like a minute. Once it's done, we can go to the streaming PC section and refresh. Okay, that's done. Git pull is done. Ls, yes, I think that's the one. Yes. Chmod plus x. As usual, I don't trust my memory. Okay, sudo systemctl status alerts.service. If it's already running, we can just refresh. Same one. Okay. Restart. That's done, I guess. So instead of this IP address, we need to change it to something else called 236. That's the IP. Sure about it. Okay, let's now continue. Test it, whether if it's working or not. Test. I'm trying to send a message from my own YouTube account to see if the thing is working. Testing something. Press. Nothing's working. Let's see what's we got a debug now. Things wouldn't work out of the box. HTTPS chat messages slash chat message. What's happening here? Okay, I can see the messages. Testing. Cannot access the property inner HTML of lock container. Why? Did I not? Man, that sucks, bro. I didn't even push my code. I just made a commit. That's it. Stash. Once that is done, it's almost done now. We go git pull. Okay. It's definitely not stuck. Yeah, it's working. Uh, Thanks for the like, guys. Who is the person liked my stream? Thank you. Hey, Manish. Thanks for the like, bro. Git pull and then cd alerts. We are going to use the classic chmod, then do a restart of the servers, and now let's go. Refresh, and everything should be refreshed now. Ooh. Everything is refreshed. Everything's good. This is the final test. Let's come to our screen. Let's send a message and see if that works. Testing. It's working. Nice. It definitely works. Obviously, you guys won't be able to see the text much as much clearly as I expected, but that's fine. I can work on the UI part when time comes. Okay, let's continue with our default project. This is done. This is not needed. This is also not needed. This is done. Coding, 25. What was the thing you wanted to talk, Manish? Where is my phone? Yeah, that's the thing I'm missing. I don't. Oh, I have it in my pocket. Show my face. Show my face. Okay. Screen. Always. And then turn this thing on. Go to Chrome. Where is my Chrome browser? Found it. That's it. Everything's done. Phone is also charging. It's currently 17 degrees, bro. Come on, focus. 17.8 degrees. Really cool. I shall keep it as it is so that I can watch my temperatures. Back to gaming. Let's also run the program where we stream assistant, video processor. Open this one. Oh, this is not the one I want. Just open a terminal, and in here, env no venv slash scripts slash activate. Once that is done, python main.py. I think that's the only thing we have. Yes. Oh, did I fix this bug? I think I fixed this bug. If I go directly to the rules, yeah, I definitely fixed that bug. That bug has been fixed, so that's nice. Enough issues there. So let's go to the accounts. We can actually see the account as well now. So now the updates we need to make is imports. So when we are trying to like import a bank statement. Yeah, we need to set up the source here. Yeah, we need to set up a source. Okay, so let's try to fix that. Imports.tsx. What's happening? Null is not assignable to a string or undefined. I'm not seeing any issue here. This is web, and probably this is rest of the files. Import transactions. Okay, where is the OCR and the other options? Oh, this is the import section. Okay, this is the import. Yeah, and in here we see this receipt. Oh, where is that one? One second, guys. Yeah, trying to help my mom off for some things. Okay, so this doesn't look like the component which we are seeing here. Let's try to search for bank statements. So there is one here. Oh, looks like this one is like the entire file explorer itself. So what we need is we need to select an account here. That thing is a mandatory field. So what do we need to do now? Hmm. Account selection. Yeah, it's not AI, it's me who write the comments. View, fine, and then we need to have like a model. What do you call it? Model. Do I have? There should be a component, bro. Rules, and inside these, I designed a model, something like that. Autocomplete input. I think this is the one. Yeah, this is the one, definitely. There's this view that's nice, and then there is this model. So my idea was to like, let users select. Yeah, basically yes. So when I press that one, the moment I press one, it should show me like a model where I can select the account. Yeah, that's the only way. Okay, let's try to import that now. Auto complete input. Okay, placeholder, it says select account. Then on change. What is it? What kind of forward how this is being used, honestly. By rules, we see this is the one multi. No. Select account to link the transaction. Value is obviously we don't know that. Const account comma set account equals to string. That's fine. Then here count on change options. I don't have the options, so it's the const counts state equals to use account, no, use account store state. It's passing the entire state, it's fine. But never read, that's a different story, bro. And if we come here now, we need to see account state dot accounts. I don't know what exactly these options are. Oh, this should be here. E is loading. What is the meaning of loading? Let's remove that. So account is not assignable of string account. So what is the meaning of it? So it's name. Okay. Map. It's fine. Let's take a look of how it looks now. Okay, and then we see MX. But why there is only one? Oh, that's the thing. Okay. Cache. We gotta select one. That's for sure. Or when we select one, that's to attach. On change. Let's see. I'm trying to put a console log. How can I get the value out of here? I think there's something like event. I might be totally wrong. No, that's not working. What? Value. Cache. Okay. Something's definitely. This is not how I define. So when I select an option, this is how it should be. How can I console log the value which is changed? If val equals to string console log. That's the one I had. So when I select MX, why account changed? What is the account changed? Okay, why does it have cache and MX? It is definitely false. Like, I think it's working fine now. Okay. Works fine. Okay. Now, is account selection valid? So what does it do? It would, so const account names equals to state account of all the names, and then selected account. No. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Return. Basically, that's it. Why is it struggling? Oh, I'm trying to write Angular inside this. So sorry, guys. So const equals to this one, and then there should be an arrow function. Yes. Just forget about this for now. Uh, hey, how can I define the return type? Okay, is account valid? So there should be a validation. Next, and then should have a class. It's okay. Let's deal with the classes later. I'm not seeing the. Okay, I'm seeing the text. Probably we might need to have like a header. I can work on this later. I'll. Does anyone know how can we have? Okay, MX. Okay, valid account is selected. Thank you so. Yeah, we can deal with the UI later. So once this is done, we can now import the transaction. Okay, that's nice. So we can see this is the date column, process date active. Which one is it? Hmm. I have no idea. In downloads, okay. What is activity date and process date, man? What is the difference between these two? Okay, I have in the downloads, we see trying to open the Excel. There is settle date. I'm sure activity date is the right one. I think so. Wait a minute, which account is this? Oh, this is the Robin Hood account. Oh, never mind. This is not the one we want. Okay, sorry. Bank statement. I don't know how to select another one. ICD codes. No. MX 2025. Yes. Select this. Now it has like valid structure. This is definitely the date. I don't think we have a time column here, so that's we can fix it. Keep it. Description, amount, category. Do we have a category here? Yes, correct. And when we press confirm, we will see all these. And instead of source, we need to change the structure now. So base. I don't know if I have it logged in. Yes. Where is it? SQL editor. So table editor, transaction, and in here there should be source. Is this transaction? No. There should be source type, source file name. Oh, there is source and source file name. Okay, let's create like a different one then. Let's have like a new column. Is linked account. We'll store the linked. We'll store the account name for the account UUID for which the transaction is done. It's a string. Oh, we have a UUID. Okay. Default value cannot be none. That's for sure. There should not be none. Is primary key? Is nullable? No. Is unique? It's definitely not unique. And then press save. Did I press save or do I have to? Okay. Hey, what is this account ID? There is something account ID. Okay, okay. We don't need it. We don't. What am I doing? Okay, we already have an account ID. Well, looks like I have worked on the backend section. Fine. Transaction details. Is that transaction? Do we have account ID here? Yes. Okay, looks like we already have a set of things. But where is the ID? If these are the options, and then what is the key? Oh, looks like we should also have. We might need to apply a validation there. Accounts.tsx. Let's add it in the to do section. To do. Do not let user add account with the same name. Yes. Delete account function. I don't think this is much complicated. So let's. Okay, what I was doing. Yes, adding transactions. So inside imports. Yeah, right here. We need to have the ID instead of the one, but that's fine. So when we eventually press that button wherever it is, save all. Save all, save locally. Save bank transactions. So this directly overwritten here. Is there another save all button, bro? No, this is the only one. Save all. So we need to have the transactions, saving transactions. And then where is the user ID, bank transaction button map? Account. What is this? Parser transaction. Oh, these are just parser transactions. Okay. Eventually they should be converted. Isn't this the new filter transaction equals to trans? As any, that's the problem. As no, we need to have a conversion method. Okay, let's write a method. That's nice. Parse transaction. So it will take parse a transaction. Parse a transaction. Okay. Transaction is type of parse a transaction, and then So it should return a transaction. That's exactly what I want, and then return transaction. Hey, the guy with 7 years of assembly experience. Welcome, bro. Welcome to the stream. Doing some basic stuff today, data formatting and whatnot. Instead of something like this, we do something else. Yeah, we need much more of information here. We remove this and we remove as well, and then we say parse transaction, we set transaction. Expression is not callable. Why? Oh, is it like return something like this? Hmm. Okay, what are the things which we are missing? Let new transaction equals a transaction. Let's say what do we need? I don't think we don't know who defines the ID. So user ID is going to be uh, where do we have all these IDs? Which one? What are we doing here? Oh, we are only assigning user ID. We're not assigning anything else. User ID. So let's get the state. User state const user state equals to use auth. Is it auth store? Yes. State nice. And inside somewhere here we say, hey, why? That definitely looks bad. The text terrible looking. We might need to like allow it to break. But you only sent one message and it didn't know where to break it. Let's see. Or maybe if I can increase the size of this. 1 second, guys. So if I increase the width, say 600, is it fine now? Let's try keeping it in this level and see if it works. Some days. చూసాం ఏం చేసావు నేను చూసా. Okay, let's go back here and user ID is equals to user state dot user. Whoa. Oh, is this a new chat overlay? Yeah, that's the one which I worked. But the one which I'm writing code on, that's completely different project. But yeah, that's the new chat overlay. How does it look? I was thinking to maybe, what do you call it? Change the opacity to even more strong so that you guys can see the text, but it's fine. Sometimes it looks good. Doesn't. Okay, user state. What am I? Okay, this is the problem. State, return the state. Yeah, that's it. Okay. And then we go inside here, we say user state dot user dot ID. That cannot be, it's not possible. What else are we missing? Account ID. This is the one which we needed. Did find account equals to 0. That's nice. And then date 4869. What is that? I think the one better than before. What if you move it out of your webcam? What do you mean? Yeah, this one is obviously better than before. Uh, Hexadecimal. Dude, what are you trying to flex? We all agree that you are a better developer than us. You have 7 years of experience with assembly and you're 14 years old. What are you trying to flex? 4869 is hexadecimal? What? Respect. Is it enough? It means hi. Is it you're trying to say like H and I, ask I value, something like those? So we need date. Forget about it. We need amount. Where is the amount then? I think amount is already added in this tracks. What are we missing now? We are missing created at. Don't we have a created at? We already have a created at here. Do we have like a imported at date then? Of created date? Okay, imported at. That's a different time zone. And created it, updated at. So there is date and there is created date. But who creates these? Yeah, that's the only thing which is missing. Okay, let's see this function. Hello. Set bank transactions. Where is the API call? Which I okay, this is the one. Oh, this is the one we're doing. Unique. Okay, okay, cool, 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 cool. Filter new transactions. What exactly does it do? Bulk insert all transaction at once. Yeah, this one, I think we need to pull it out from here and update it in the state. I believe the left side of the screen, web page IDE, has more content than the right side. So maybe it's better to have the chat on the right side of the screen instead. Wonderful take. And I don't really like how it's becoming like it. So let me work on that section first. It looks really bad. Coding section, Stream Assistant, alerts, and then we have a VS Code. So it looks like instead of having a UI something like this, you know, to span, we need like a whole. I don't think we need a user icon. Is it needed? We can ignore that user icon, or we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. So currently we have like two span and then this one. So this we can change it. So let's write some HTML here. So let's say we have a p tag and then a closed p tag. Okay, and then inside this we have the image. Do we have to close it? And then we just add the text here. Much better. So let's do that. So inner HTML is going to be p, and this looks fine. So I'm just going to use this one here, and we gonna use this one here, and with us with some space, with some. If we use the span tags, I think that's going to ruin everything. We want everything to be in line. My chat thinks my hexadecimal is spam. I don't think that's a spam, but if YouTube thinks for that for some reason, then if I have no, we cannot split into divisions, so that means this cannot be. But let's try it. Let's try it. This is the only problem while writing HTML in this way. Let's remove this section now, and I'll have it commented out just in case. And let's see how it works. Take some time. Give it a minute, boys. Localhost chat message.html. Let it. Is it turning? It didn't turn on yet. Okay. Hey, why is it taking this long? We have an image. I want every text to be like in the same line, so that if there are more than like 160 line, we don't want that to be split in that way. Looks really bad. Show my face. So you see this section. I want like the entire thing to be in the same rows. Would be much better that way. Back to gaming. So I would like to request someone to send a big message, or else I can just copy paste the one Anish has sent. Hey, much better, isn't it? That's much better. But obviously, we might need to change the image or set some kind of. I think by removing the image, it might look much better. Yes, it actually looks better without an image. That's fine. So without an image, then. And I was also thinking to increase the. What is this container? Is this the one? Yeah. So let's increase to 9 or 8. Oh, it's yeah, 8 is fine. 8 is perfect. Okay. Let's go ahead and change that. Lorem. You have to use the lorem. So this is how it would look. Obviously, ignore the icons. I think I'll remove the icons, man. The user icons. I think this definitely looks fine. Okay, let's push this code. Chat messages. Where is the style? RGBA. Okay. And in here, chat entry, chat container. Is this the one? I think this is the one. Yeah. Let's increase it to 8. I'm not sure if I have to rebuild the entire code if in order for that to work. But let's try pushing this and restarting the server. I was thinking let's ask AI if it also feels the same then. I got Golang fiber based code backend where I have, what do you call it? Which structure is it in? Static folder, and I have changed a few lines of HTML. No Go code is changed. For this, should I use Go build again? Depends on how your static files are served. Static files are served directly from the file system. You don't need to do a Go build again. Static files, I don't think I'm using embedded style. So let's try pushing this and see if it works. Come on, dude. Okay, commit. It's done. Before I proceed, I will let me push and let's open a terminal, switch to the SSH. 230, 236. It asks for a password. Hey, thanks for joining, bro. Gotta go. Yeah. What is the assembly code for bye? BYE. CD stream assistant ls git stash. I don't think I have to stash. So git pull. It takes some time. It does take some time. Okay, that's done. Let's do a formal refresh of this application. It is refreshed. So now I'll copy the lorem which you place it here. I forgot to remove the icon, didn't I? Okay, let me go ahead, do another change and remove the icon. Should I just comment it out? I already have it commented it out here. Okay, let's now push these changes. Commit, git push. I think it's done. Yeah, chat is still on the left. I can just move it to the right. Not no worries at all. We are working on the container. We can just move it inside the OBS. We don't have to deal with the rest of the stuff. Okay. Did I push it? Yes. And then git pull. Once in the meantime, let it do its thing. It's done. Refresh. Okay. Let's send some big messages. Oh, that's way too big. Fine. Let's bring it up here. But don't you think this is taking a lot of space? Maybe if you guys can still read this, I am fine. You guys can read this, right? If it's too small, just let me know. What do you guys think? Is it too small or too big? It, I think we can decrease the padding, bro. I think we can decrease the padding. Let me go ahead and decrease the padding for that one right here. What is the container? Is this the queue container? Yeah, this is the one. Padding. Yeah. Oh, dude, it's changing. Good morning. How does it look? I think it's going way too many messages. Maybe I can only keep a track of. I don't know. The padding is way too much. That's absolutely true. We can decrease the padding to. I need a message. Okay, yeah. The Let's decrease the padding. So don't send any message, please. So 5, 2, 3, and this one to 4. No, this one would need 14. 14 looks good. Why do I have even 0 looks fine for some reason? Oh, this has its own padding. Where is this padding coming from? Font size? No. Margin 0. Oh, that's margin 0, bro. Okay. So now what I'm about to do is increase the padding from, let's say, 1, 4, 5. That looks fine. Dude, you just ruined everything. Good morning. And in case I don't see you, good evening, good afternoon, good night, the true show. Dude, I was struggling to fix that and just. Okay, well, I don't remember what changes I did. So for me, it's the speed tag style. It has something like this, like margin 0. That's for sure. So let me go ahead and do that. Margin 0. Come on, dude. Margin 0. Yes. That's it. Just margin 0 and that's it. I think there is no other things I have to do. Margin 0, padding 5. Okay. What is a Q slot? Is this the one? Padding and change it to 5. Okay. Requesting a message. I just sent a very big message. Looks fine, bro. Looks fine. So how many messages should I hold in the stack? How many messages should I hold? I don't know. This is more like a viewer question. Also, if you're working on the code which has the bottom time, okay, uh, message count layout, can you remove the word time? True. I I shall do it now. I don't know what it's called. Starts board, and then there should be time. Yep. You don't want me to have this time then. What else? I like you, bro. Just tell me what else you want me to modify. What else? What else? What else? So I was thinking, how many messages should I show? I think 3 messages is enough. Or should I just remove them once the message is? Do you think we should make a width of the container equals? I think that's much better, bro. Yeah, let's increase the width of it. It's easy. I can do that from the OBS itself. Oh shit. Wait, this okay. Okay, I think I have to increase it a little bit more. Change it to 800. 800 is almost perfect. I think that's fine for now. And we can decrease this to 3 messages at max. Then I keep it to 3 messages. What do you think? I think 3 messages or four. I mean, there's a large message though. Probably that's the reason we are having this. So does it look fine now? Can you guys actually read it, or should I increase the width like this? If I increase that, then we need to decrease the width to like 700 or something. Even it's big. I don't know. I don't know. I should definitely increase the smaller one is better. Are you sure? Oh, I totally forgot refresh. I kind of lost my track. So what was the width I had? What was the width I had? It's 800 for 600. Do you mind sending some message? Or I will spam. Just send some messages. I'm currently watching in my PC, and I think it's way too. Maybe we can increase the font size. If that's the only thing which is causing issues, we can increase the font size. Ah, come on. Change the damn keyboard. Keep that, and do we have a font size here? Yes. What is REM? Oh, I got the messages. We sent one big message. Okay, one I think kind of looks fine. So I need bigger font. I need bigger font. Oh, that's way too big. Okay. But what is this width? Where is this width coming from? Do we have a padding? Did someone define this width? Fit content. But why do I have only this small width? Do they mean that they increase? Okay, does it have any width here? Okay, we definitely need max width. What is this log container? I don't know what's happening, but I don't see a width. Display flex. Hmm. Okay, whatever it is. And unsure what's happening, but it's fine. So it does. I need a bit bigger font, or if there is no changes needs to be done. Try to play around with this. I think it's okay. This looks fine for my eyes now. So I need to decrease the width to 600. A bit too much. So let's go to 700. Okay, let's a little bit to 750. 750-ish is fine. And you guys can see the text. Oh, the problem is if I increase the height and width, so if I should not zoom in then. So let's go transform reset. Okay, this is the standard. That means definitely I need to increase my font size. Okay, so how can I increase my font size? For now, let's not mess with anything. Just increase the font size to something else. Why do I have something? Oh, okay. I think I did some. I think this font size is enough, but we can increase it more. I don't think that's. Let's see. Let's try to write some custom CSS directly inside this one. Custom CSS and p equals to. I kind of forgot how to write this. Font size equals to 1.5 rem. Important. Okay, I think I messed up something. Okay, I would need some messages. Okay, font size is working in that screen. Can you guys see? Am I seeing double double? Hey, why am I seeing double double, bro? Oh, there is one again here. Oh, I think I had. Okay, sorry. My bad. What do you think? It's a little bit big, but I think after I remove the padding, that should be fine. So the font size I applied is 1.5 rem. So I should also do the same. Fill in some chat and see how. I don't think at the rates would work fine because I don't see those at the rates myself. I like it. Okay. Let's go back to code and what did we change? So we removed the margins, or I think we didn't remove it. Yeah, I removed the margin. That's fine. And then all I need to do is set the font size. I'm going to do it here. font size 1.5 rem. Let's push this change. No, write a message, dude. Commit, and while that is being committed, git push and go to this file and git pull. Let's wait for it to push. It's done. I'm doing a git pull. I have to go here, do some refresh. Okay, that's done. Refresh and refresh. Why this the time thing didn't change for some reason? Let me switch that to overlays. That's board. Where is the damn leaderboard? Maybe I need to build and then do it. But okay, for testing, I need some messages. I need some messages. As we are already here, I'll also say looks good. I can clearly see the text. I can clearly see the text. But doesn't it take a lot of space in my screen? I think it's taking a lot of space. Or what? I don't think there is another way to do this thing, bro. There is a, if you want to see the clear text, that's one way. Let's keep it for some days and see how it behaves. Okay, I think I might need to. I think we might need to do a build in order to finish this one. I removed it, I committed it, but it looks like it's not working. Even then, I would like to try it. It's called, where is it? Where is it? Stats board. That's stats board. We don't have it. Stats board. Stats BOARD. Stats BOARD. Oh, dot HTML. Sorry. Hey, there's no. I'm not seeing time here. Oh, probably because of this server is running. Probably when I build or restart my server the next time, it might work fine. But for now, let me try restarting the server manually just to see if that's the case. Sudo systemctl restart alerts.service. I'll start noticing how other streamers set their layouts. Let you know if I find something wrong with your layout. Hey, thank you so much. Even now it shows time. Why is it showing time, bro? Thank you so much, bro. Respect. Studio mode, overlays, and inside here, stats, board, leaderboard, do a refresh. Now I think it's gone. Oh, now I think the time thing is gone. It's working fine. I don't have to do anything else. Wonderful. I have removed the time. No commands yet. So yeah, that section is where we see the commands of people if they use it. Okay, the layout is fixed. Now let's, and it looks fine now. It definitely looks fine. I can see the chat, so that means anyone while I'm recording a video or like doing a short clip, they can clearly see this. There's one more thing we have to do is show my face. Oh yeah, right here. Okay, this can be moved to a different section. What do you think? Or should I move it? Oh, or should I move it? Hey, why is this thing moving? Should I? Where's the chat overlay? Yeah, somewhere here. I think this looks much balanced than this one. I'll improve my lighting on my face. The bulb which I have is sitting right behind the monitor, so that's why. Looks good. I don't mind either. Yeah, either way it looks fine, but the left side is much more. The left side is well rounded in my opinion. So if I have it here, everything kind of like weighted towards one side. But this looks much cleaner. Or maybe if I remove this, hey, this is much better, bro. I like this. I like this. Yeah, we can decrease it a little bit, and so that my face looks so much as much more realistic. And we must change this stupid thing. I think I'm trying to. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, going to the main, and yeah, it looks fine. For some reason, where is the other messages, bro? The one which you sent before after this? I missed something. Is my like, server not working for some reason? Yeah, yeah, it's working now. I don't mind either. Those messages are not loading here. Something. Probably my WebSocket is broken. Why would that be the case? Let's debug. Hmm. Sorry, guys. So 10.0.0.236. The API is still there. No issues. WebSocket is there. This is a very strange test. I see it. I I think probably the WebSocket is broken because of. Let's try to send some messages. Let's just do that for some. I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Working fine so far. Yeah, working fine. Let's see. Mhm. Let's keep it as it is for some time. And I think I have a fallback code. If something happens, it would reload itself. So inside chat messages, inside this script, I don't know where did I place it. Right here on error, it would do a reload by itself. Was a plus point. Okay, it's fine. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, file explorer, file uploader. This is where we started to notice some issue. I would like to drink some apple juice. Let me drink it. Show my face. It's almost 11:40, bro. Time is running out quick. I'm only going to drink half a glass. Back to gaming. What does it say? Type transaction has no call signature. What do you mean type transaction has no call signature? Oh, it would return a function. Yes. Oh, now it works fine. See? And the problem is it doesn't have the insert unique. Um, I don't think we need to parse it from here. Do we need to? Hey, code guy, I wish I can see those. What do you call it? GIFs, man. I wish I can see those GIFs. What's up? Nothing, bro. I'm working on my expense tracker. State management is working as expected. No issues there. I'm trying to now import bulk transactions from an Excel sheet. This is the code I have, but this is like only one way to do this anyway, so I'm not really concerned about it. So all I have to do is probably just revert this and filter new transaction. Where is this function code? Yes, right here. So it should only filter from uh, account. Yes. So it should only filter from account. That's the one thing we need to do. If row ding 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 row ID already exists in database. Okay. So yeah, this is the thing. We need to skip details dot push make tx key and then check existing keys. Uh, how does the keys work? Make transaction key. So yeah, you know what? Let's try adding the account as well. Wait a minute. Why do we have to add the account? What is the best way to do this? Build a new transaction, but the transaction should only be checked within the account, not from the other accounts. So we need to get the current account. Okay, yeah, that's the point. Count tidy equals to string. Probably I will get an error here, and then we have to just say end account state dot account ID. Okay, we don't need this function. Yeah, this is the problem. Oh, this is the database itself, so that gets like the latest transactions. It's fine. Let's get all the transactions existing, and then we have to populate the keys, but only check for those transactions which are there. Okay, so all transactions, and inside them, let's do cons.existing equals to perfect. Beautiful. But maybe we have to deal with in case in the future if we have to do like maybe can I import state here? I think I can get the transactions this way, so I think that's fine. We don't have to get the transactions again. We can just use the state. But if in case we want to update all the transactions, then we can just use the like transaction state dot fetch transactions. This is much better way. And is it what exactly is this? The promise, then dot, then we can like deal with those. Const equals to all transactions. Transaction state right here. That's fine. And then this is much better, I guess. Oh, we need to call await. But it does not exist on void. Wait a minute. We can also write a return statement maybe. Return transaction. Oh, guess that's not possible. Oh, how can I do that? As this is a Zeus thing, I want to proceed only when the fetch transactions is completed. I can use a dot then, but there is another way to do this. I'll check that and implement and then suggest. Okay, go ahead. The simple fix is to use the dot then function. Oh, await store dot fetch transactions, and then so will this line wait till the fetch transactions is complete? Yes, with one caveat. Will wait for to finish asynchronous. However, if the fetch fails, the store catches the error and the promise still resolves and transaction may be empty. Also, current callers will each trigger a fetch because doesn't duplicate in a flight calls. If you want to do duping or to skip refreshing when everything already loaded, I can skip this one. Well, if something fails, we need to stop it. Yeah, that's one thing. If the fetch fails, we need to stop it. API error. Where is add transaction? I don't think I had add undefined. Okay. Oh, this is the one. Okay, nice. I think I did not work with the add trans. Oh, that's true. That's true. That's true. If it fails, it will catch the error and finally set loading state false. So in Angular, this is how we normally do it. The main logic is still clear. If everything goes forward, that's when we move the next part. If it fails, we should not set it. I think I'm doing it fine. So Fine so far. Okay, and then database, we get all the transactions. If store dot API error, not API error, or if API error, then just press return. Don't do anything else. What do we need? Promise and unique skipped. Probably if something happens, just return this or null. What does it want me to say? Okay, there it is. Here we duplicate rows. Why am I saying this error? Tube is possibly null. Okay. Now if it could be this or it could be null. Yeah, the thing is, if it's there are any errors, we just don't let them synchronize. Pick a statement mx5 right here. We also need an mx transaction details date column. I don't have a date column for this. Hey, where's the date column? Oh, okay, this is the okay date. Do we have a time column? I don't think we have time column. And then merchant, obviously description, amount is the amount. What is this exact extended details? Appears as I think description. Not sure which one to use. A circle, lows outside. Basically, it doesn't matter. They both look the same. So yeah, it doesn't matter which one it is. Category column can be interesting. Category. Do we have a category here? Okay, that's nice. Okay, cool. We press confirm now. Loaded. We okay. That's okay. So press save all. I'm not sure if they are all added. If they're added, let's see the account ID. I see the account ID. That's fine. We just have to use this dashboard. Do not have all the transactions. That's the problem. When we did a filter, when we add all them, we need to fetch the transaction as well. If everything is fine, if until then is here, where is the finally? Dot finally block transaction store const transaction, or we can say how did I use it? Use transaction dot get state. Okay. dot fetch fetch transactions. I think that's the only thing I do. Still no transactions. I have transactions. Or did I mess up the user ID? I have the user ID. Instances. Please. I can see transactions here, but I'm not seeing transactions in dashboard. So probably I didn't add things into dashboard. So transactions equals to here. Okay, transactions equals to use transaction store of state dot transactions. Now works fine. Wonderful. Communication telecom. Don't know whatever is this one. Why is this telecom? I don't think I paid with Amex 4488. This 44488. 4.88. We couldn't find any. I do not know what is the transaction. For some reason total amount is do I have, I think I had like exclude payments on okay, total spending is 35. Average transaction like per transaction. Something is definitely bad. Rules. Why are these rules not applied? Probably. There is Walmart in here. I don't know why that thing was tags. There are no tags. Okay, now things have obviously changed. We might need to deal with this later. Uh, Walmart Supercenter. Yeah. The problem is these are auto import. While I'm doing the import, these needs to be like applied. File uploader. Why are they not up? Probably I might need to write a script to run this time. Rules .apx and then must include where are the rules? This is the styling, and in here handle duplication rules, execute all rules. Who calls this function? Do I have execute? Okay, run all rules. Okay, if it's done, then that's nice. Tags. Still don't see any. Fresh. Now I see any. Nice. Okay. Uh, Walmart. Team. Indian store. Indiana. That's Indian store, not Indiana store. Okay, I can deal with this later. Okay, it's almost 12 people. I'll. Hey, Axom, you're back. So sorry, I didn't really. Are you parsing any particular bank statement exported from the internet bank of any? I'm so sorry, guys. I did not see the chat. Probably this window was sitting behind. So, There was a new guy and I didn't welcome him. Why don't you guys use peek command or something so that I can read the chat? Okay. Hari Prasad, I don't know if you're still here. Uh, how can I see if you're still here or not? If you're still here, no, that's one of my bank, and I'm parsing basically the CSV files. I believe every bank follows a description, amount, and date. So based on that, we can pull the Excel parsing. But that's not the one feature I have in this application. We have uh, OCR and other transaction based. So if you go to this expenses, let's say for this one, you want to add some items, you can add them directly from here. That's a that's the initiative I have. We have AI as well. Currently working with Olama. Does minimal things for now. Oh, you're still here. Every bank provider the logo and stuff in their exported statements. I don't think I found that in my statement. Nothing. But it's fine. I mean, those are not really those feature sets are nice to have, but those doesn't affect my application. Currently, I still have to do refund management. I still have to do some dev work such as state management and transaction processing, maintain the state data synchronized. Hey, Axom, thanks so much. Are you guys getting the sound? Oh, stupid me. I don't have that sound, bro. So sorry. I didn't enable that sound. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Yeah, now I have dedicated chat window. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, man. Keep the good work. Yeah, I think I tried to start my stream today at 9:30. Show my face. Anish. Okay, bro. The next project is going to be an SLM and AI chatbot. I did some research. Looks like, hey, thanks for the like, man. Finally, the second like I ever had this stream. I don't really want to bother you guys by like, hey, do you guys like my stream? But if until I say if you're not going to like, then I might need to beg for you guys. Then nice, thank you. Okay, what I was trying to say. I tried parsing and categorization, but sometime my bank changes the XLS layout for statements and breaks. So that's the point. When you import a bank statement, the user must, let's say, I'm importing my. Do I have any other bank other than these? What is this one? Oh, this is my other bank. So these are the rows, and user can select. Oh, show my face. No, what is this? Back to gaming. Is that yes? So this is the entire rows which are fetched, and user can select a row which has the meaningful headers. This is the one, and we can see all the columns. So we need these things to be imported, because what my application uses this as the main data structure or data layout, whatever it is. So we have to pick a date column. So this is the date column. Some banks I found out that they have like a date and time, so this is optional. And then merchant or description. Here I think this is the merchant description. I don't know which one is merchant. So purchase Walmart and Walmart super center, that's the description. That's nice. So maybe I need to have like a section where I can select multiple columns in order to group up into one thing. So we can see the merchant is Amazon here, but the description has much more information. Yeah, Mayan Kitchen, SP, Shop Simpson, shops.com, Amazon. But I personally feel merchant is fine for humans. I don't think this number has any meaning. It does have the location. Oh, sorry. That's the one thing. So I'm selecting merchant here. Obviously, every bank transaction will have amount. We can just select the amount column. Oh, this is merchant and this is the amount. So the more you select, the columns will be depleted. You cannot select the same column again in the next line. Category. I don't think I have category here, so I'm just keeping that section and I press confirm. and it has 90 transactions. We have to select, maybe I need to create a new one. I'm so sorry. I guess I need to create a new account. Robin Hood. It's also a credit type. Let's create, done. Go to import. I gotta do this all again. Okay, my bad. Is this the one? Probably. Okay, date, time, merchant, amount. That's it. Confirm. So in this way, we can import now 90 something transactions. Those are all imported, and those are imported into my Robinhood account. I have a Goldman Sachs interview today. I haven't slept at all. Oh, dude, all the best, bro. Goldman Sachs is a big company. Hope you do it. Hope you give your best. Just be an actor for 1 hour. Okay. Try to sell yourself. Use business keywords like, don't say transactions. Talk about like reserve adjustments. Complicated words. I like apple juice a lot, but I really hope you get it. They have 7 rounds. The moment I hear 7, I'm like, what are you guys trying to do? What is there to even have like 7 rounds, bro? So yeah, now I don't know how many transactions we have. Obviously, the amount has changed. That means the transactions are loaded perfectly fine. Let's execute all rules. Might take some time. Execute all through, updated 191 transaction. Why there are 191 when I just imported 49? They did a round where they grill. Oh, some people just enjoy grilling people, bro. That's how it is. So expenses, let's include a tag Walmart. Okay. Are there any duplicated transactions? That's what I'm concerned about. There won't be a duplicate transaction, but I don't want duplicate tags added to the same transaction. I don't see there are no two to Walmarts. That's nice. Let's take a look in the database. This is the amount. This is my database. Here is a category null created batch, source type Excel, source type file name Amex, and then bank. There is a bank. Okay, and then there is a account. The name account. Okay, right here. If I click this, it should show me what is the account. It's cash. Oh, that we messed it up. Why there is cash? So the account ID. We on my CV. They make sure everything is accurate there. Well, something is totally messed up. This account ID is not what I have. So there is Amex, which, oh, they all start with the same IDs. Why? Oh, that's user ID. Oh, this is the account ID. Am I using a wrong ID? I think I did use the wrong ID, bro. So 0837A2B, 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 0837A2B. That's the cache. Why do we have? Probably I missed my connection here in the file uploader. So account ID. I don't even have an account ID. So it's defaulting it to cache. This is a transaction, and do I have transactions here? No, I don't have it. Okay. So account ID. Parse transaction. I might need to go try to find the parse transaction. So account stay.find equals, this is the ID I want, and then what else? What else? What else? Let's delete all the transactions and then try one more. I can delete from here. Imports, bank statements. I'm deleting all these. Might take some time. When I refresh, those should be gone. Nice. Once this is done, I'll import them all again. No worries. So if this is trying to look for that one, that's not valid. And then here, Let's see, this is the final now. So import bank statements. Let me import the same file again. I'm x2025. This should be somewhere here. Yes, date, merchant description, amount is this one, category. I don't know if we have a category for Amex. We have it. What else? I think I got all of them: date, description, amount, and category. Okay, confirm. Save all. What? Invalid input syntax for type UUID. Let's see the console. Where is the console? Okay. There's no console log. Nice. Invalid input syntax for type UUID. Probably I didn't find the UUID. If account states accounts that find equals to undefined. Return this. Hey, did I not select the transaction? Yes. Okay. This is. I think I'm importing Amex. Okay. Now they are imported. Let's see what's happening in the database. Transaction. Were they already added or did I add them now? So where is the account type? Now think I'm saying the right one. Reddit Amex. Done. Wonderful. Now I can play with my data. I don't know why the total is 35, bro. Something is PC. Something is PC. Obviously, I have my spendings are way more than that. You can see like 3,000. Ting, ting, ting. Maybe this math is wrong. We can deal with this later. We can just see these transactions, even if we want, like rental. No transactions yet. Import and yeah, okay. Probably this is wrong. We might need to see the transactions here. That's my small bugs. The more I work on it, I can fix them. Until then, it's almost 12:10. I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is like final buys for today. I'll be streaming tomorrow as well. All right. In the meantime, take rest, drink water, do whatever you guys want. Stay happy, stay creative. Good night, Anish. For watching. Did you see Toxic trailer? Hey, I'm not getting it, dude? Until I scroll down, I don't see new messages. Stupid. At least I have to see the messages from my layout. Okay, hey, thanks. If CSV is available for blank statements, works oftentimes it is either PDF or some Excel format with logs and studio stuff. Thanks, mapping headers to normalize is a good thing. Yeah, that's true. That's the reason we are using CSV, and I am sure every bank has that option. I am not sure if you're still here, Hari. I'm so sorry. I normally read my messages or chat messages, but it's been more than a month. I did my streaming and I forgot. And what happens is, this is the main window I use the chat, and sometimes it will be covered by some folder or something, and I miss it. Anyway, if you're still here, hope you enjoyed the stream. If you did, try subscribing. If you don't, just let me know what you hate so that I can improve myself. All right, people. Good session. Any last words? Bye, Manish. Bye, Anish. All right, I'm stopping the stream now. 1, 2, we go.